Ooh. Ooh. Alright guys, so we're here doing a speed run for the Poor Boys RC Challenge. We got the MF01x ready to go. We're gonna run on 2S with let me show you the battery. The CNHL 120C 4900 LiPo, and see, there it is right there. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. Just got the GPS on. We're at a new spot. Doesn't get a lot of traffic, so with any luck we'll get a full pull, seeing we've never gotten a full pull on this yet. So yeah, see what happens. We're running a Surpass Hobby 7700 kV with a Surpass Hobby 120 amp ESC, and we got our TTO2B body today. It's looking for signals. We went to a different spot, one because I think with the town having everything on GPS, they kept kicking me off. So we're gonna try this out. Alright. Still no signal yet. We'll wait a minute. I'll get the trim situated. Huh. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, looks like we got a signal. I gotta turn my trim down more. Man, she is squirrely.
Get out the road.
Yeah, something wrong here today. I haven't had a problem until now. I did a couple hard hits not too long ago, so it is what it is. But I'll set the floor and then still there now. We'll have to go by. Could be by on the road. There we go. That was pretty close to a full pull. Woo!
Oh.
Woo! Ha ha ha! Ah! Somersault.
Did the wheel come off?
So.
Really? What flew off?
Wheel came off the front. I snapped the axle. GPS didn't move with it, but 63 miles an hour, that's a mile an hour faster, and I think that's gonna be it. I think we'll have to call it at that. So it is what it is, guys. I know this thing's supposed to stay on, but if you'll see, I'll rewind it and show you again. It stopped dead and fell right off, so there was no forward progress, but I don't care, whatever. Is what it is, guys. Hopefully you like. 63, broke 2 wheels. That was a nice flip-flop. Maybe it will get a booby prize for the best tumble. It did like 1,000,000 cartwheels. So, yep, snapped the front axle. Lost another dog or another drive cup. Huh? I don't care. 63. 63. Not too bad. Had a little more in her, but I'll take it. Better than a kick in the crotch. Thanks, Phil, for all the fun. And yeah, we'll see you next year. Well, let me show you what's under the hood. Not that it matters, but it's our last run, no less. So see, it's still 2S. We didn't do nothing funny. We're all set. You can see we broke another axle. And it is what it is. It is what it is. Good fun, guys. I'll see you when I see you. Like and subscribe and all that, and we'll see you. Ooh. Ooh.